lower body rolling patterns. For this movement, what we're going to do is we're going to be bringing that leg up, relaxing the other leg, and letting it fall over here. In this position, I'm getting flexion through my hip, and I'm getting rotation, flexion pattern of my lumbar spine coming up through my thoracic spine, and then I'm just allowing my body to continue. It's coming up the chain, which is rotating my whole body onto my stomach here. And then coming around, extension through the hip, and I'm driving that leg across. I'm going to relax my body here, letting it all generate from my lower body. And that weight of my leg is starting to rotate my spine and extend that lumbar spine through my thoracic, and then coming onto my back. For this drill, we can also even prop up. If we're not able to roll, we can prop up that hip with a pad or a mat so we get a head start, and then we get more comfortable with that rolling pattern from a higher elevated spot. Same thing would go for if we're doing our upper body rotation patterns. We have the hip up just a little bit, raised by a pad. Raise it up with a pad or a mat, an Eric's pad. So now my hip is up, and it's going to be easier for me to get those rolling patterns. Same thing with, want to get my extension here. I want to start with that right hip up. And now it's going to be a little bit easier because I've got a bit of a head start. And as I start to get that motion, I can then take this out, make it thinner, and then do without any support.